The episode starts with Ahilya asking Anandi about her leaving from palace. Anandi says, "My husband was in the army and served the royal family. His leg got cut in the last battle. They removed him." Gunuji said, "He will not pay any money if he does not work. Now we have nothing. We do not even get one meal a day. I came there for my kids' sake. We are poor, but not beggars." Then I left. Ahilya cries. She asks her not to get hesitant and come to take help from Malhar. Anandi says, "I had gone to meet Gunuji." FP shows Anandi asking Gunuji for help. He refuses to help. She says, "My husband lost his leg to serve the country." He says he did not do any favor. He was happy to get this his money. "Now you have come to beg." She cries and says, "Do not say this. I heard that Malwa king takes care of Parja. Permit me to come to meet Malhar." He scolds her and says, "I am Malhar's son in law. My decision is final. Do not dare to go to Malhar and tell your problem." He threatens her. FB ends. Anandi says, "We can never reach Malhar. We do not want to anger Gunuji." Ahilya says, "You all have a right on Malwa. Malhar also believes this." She says, "You will be given justice in Holkar family." The kids say, "Some people are getting things for us." Ahilya asks them to keep the food and fruits there. She says, "I had seen you there and knew that you may need these things." The man says, "It's same. We do not want the charity." Ahilya says, "It's not charity. These things came now because I bought this from market from my money." She pacifies them. Anandi says, "We do not deserve to be called Praja of you. We thought wrong about you." He says, "We were also against you at the time of widow marriage. Now we know your truth. Forgive us. We were fools to oppose you." She says, "It's fine. I will be happy to help." She goes. The villagers see her and think, "What is she doing there?" Gotma asks Tukoji about Ahilya. She says, "Don't say. You do not know." He worries to say. Ahilya comes and says, "I have something important to talk." Gotma sends Tukoji away. She scolds Ahilya. Ahilya says, "It's important matter." Gotma asks her to supervise the villagers' bhojan. It will be for 300 people. She gives more work to Ahilya. Ahilya worries. Gotma takes her along. Dwarka says, "What's the matter that Ahilya is so worried?" Malhar says, "We do not arrest anyone." Gangoba says, "Someone from the palace leaked this news." Danaji comes and says, "You reached the conclusion soon. How can this happen?" Malhar says, "You mean those criminals are clever and our soldiers failed?" Danaji says, "It's not to doubt someone without a proof." Malhar asks her to do his work, then giving this long explanation. He scolds Dhanaji. He says, "I regard you responsible for these murders. Just find out the culprits and get them in front of you. If you want to save your position." He wants Dhanaji and leaves.